My name is Henry Fenn. I am an environment manager working at Milestone Infrastructure. An environment manager is effectively looking after the environment. So we're looking at predominantly how do we minimise the impact of human activity has when we create a new road or a new bridge, a new structure. How can we make that place a better place than what we found it in? I joined Milestone October 2021 from a previous large construction company in London. I joined as a senior environmental advisor, working predominantly on the Peterborough and Cambridgeshire highways. So yeah, my job at that time was to support the site teams to realise their environmental performance, but also to ensure that we protect the environment as Milestone. I think without communication, the job isn't possible. It's all about how do you realise those opportunities, and definitely teamwork. The two go hand in hand. I come to work knowing that what I do will always have a positive impact, and for me, if it's, say, they've got a scheme where they've got, I don't know, for example, like a drainage issue, knowing that what I can bring to the table, what I can suggest to the team, it will make that situation better. And for me, that's what gives me the drive to do what I do. You're always having a positive impact on the natural environment. Some of the jobs we've got going at the minute include Milton Road in Cambridge. It's one of our flagship Cambridge projects. We've been involved in that for a fair while, over a year now. Obviously it's a very sensitive area for residents. We're very much working in the middle of Cambridge, where we need to be careful of think about all of the dust, noise, and how do we make the project better and give it a sustainable legacy that it deserves. I did a geography degree rather than a civil engineering degree. I really enjoyed that at A-level, and decided that I wasn't too sure, actually, to be honest with you, with what I wanted to do for a career. Actually, it did work out for me. Took that as a springboard to work in construction. Go for it. We've only got one life. We've only got one planet. We need to protect it at all costs. And by being part of this, you can do that yourself.